Imagine stepping into a sanctuary where the air feels alive, where each breath carries you deeper into presence, a space where transformation is not promised, it's inevitable. This is not a classroom, it's not a workshop. This is the arena of masters. For too long, the wellness and beauty world has been dominated by quick-fix training and overcrowded classrooms. Certificates handed out in days, skills taught from a manual instead of mastery passed from hand to hand. It's fast, it's easy, and it's quietly eroding the art of true transformation. We decided enough was enough. At Rijooviness, we return to the way true masters have always been trained, slow, precisely, and with total presence. Every moment guided, corrected, and perfected in real time. When I say hands on hand, I mean it. Our hands on your hands. Our teaching is not just the mechanics, but the feeling, that subtle shift in muscle tone, the almost invisible release in fascia, that moment when energy unlocks and the body remembers its own perfection. Here you do not just learn wisdom, you live it. Every student receives the very work they are mastering. They arrive as practitioners, they leave as transformed human beings. Spines align, faces soften, jaws release decades of tension, and something deeper awakens, a quiet power that radiates from within. When they return to their clinic, they are different. Clients notice. They lean in, they book, they refer, because mastery is magnetic. This training is not for everyone. It's for those who want to stand above the noise, for practitioners ready to become sought-after specialists whose work speaks so loudly, marketing becomes optional. Graduates leave with an elite, high-level service that commands premium fees worldwide, the ability to create transformation, a global network of fellow masters, and a legacy, because this is more than a skill, it's a signature. So the question is simple. Do you want another certificate on your wall? Or do you want to join the rare few whose work becomes legend? Step into the arena, learn the art, live the transformation, and leave your mark, not just on your clients, but on the future of the industry.